As a team, Excel Dental works really hard together to work cohesively as a team to deliver what the patient is looking for. Patients are many times coming to our office wanting to feel comfortable. Sometimes they're wanting to improve their aesthetics. And whatever they're looking for, we can help you. We start our new patient experience by asking a lot of questions, really kind of digging into what the patient wants, not necessarily what we think they need, because many times those are two separate things. So we ask a lot of questions and really get to the heart of the matter of what you really want as a patient. What kind of goals? Why do you even want that? And then we have to make sure that we fit into your budget. So we may have several different options depending on what your goals are and your budget, kind of putting that together so that you can choose the best option for you.